Sometimes, the people who should protect us the most end up hurting us the deepest. But here's the truth: betrayal can break you, or it can build you into someone stronger. My story is not just about pain, it's about discovering the power of selfless love, and learning that some people are just a lesson, not a life sentence. If you've ever struggled with family betrayal, or if you've found inspiration through resilience, hit that like button right now. Subscribe, and share your story in the comments. Let's build a community of healing together. Now, let me take you into my story. My name is Eleanor. I live in New York with my husband Leo and our little boy Ethan. When I was young, my parents divorced because my father Robert cheated. My mom Sophia was devastated but strong enough to leave. The court gave Robert custody because mom didn't have a stable job back then. Robert quickly remarried a woman named Brenda, and together they started a new life. My mom was left to struggle alone, working tirelessly just to survive. Years passed. I grew up, got married, and built my own little family. Recently, Leo and I invited my mom to move in with us. She was alone, and we needed her help with Ethan since Leo was up for a big promotion. Sophia brought warmth back into our house. She cooked amazing meals, told Ethan bedtime stories, and filled our home with laughter. One sunny afternoon, Mom and Ethan went out on a short guided tour. Suddenly, the doorbell rang. I opened it and froze. It was Robert, my father, with Brenda right behind him. They barged in like a storm. "Where is she? Why is your mother living here?" Robert roared, his fingers shaking inches from my face. "And why is she spending your money on trips?" Brenda sneered. I tried to explain that Mom used her own retirement savings, but Brenda cut me off, her voice sharp and venomous. "Don't lie, Eleanor. She's draining you dry, so Robert won't get a penny when you're old." Robert's face twisted, his eyes burning with greed. "Your money is mine, Eleanor. I raised you. If you want peace, give me the money now and kick her out." In that moment, something inside me shattered. Tears rolled down my cheeks, but my voice was steady. "Fine, Robert. Take the money. But from this day forward, we are done. Legally, emotionally, completely. I will not call a man who sells his child for cash my father." He hesitated, but Brenda pushed him. They signed the documents, grabbed the money, and walked out of my life without a backward glance. I felt pain, yes, but also freedom. 6 months later, karma struck. Robert suffered a stroke. Brenda cleaned out the house, sold everything, and vanished with her son. He was left helpless, paralyzed, abandoned. Part of me wanted to ignore it. But Leo looked at me with his honest eyes. "Eleanor, I know you're angry. But we can't let him die alone. And there's something your mother asked me to keep secret." Leo handed me an envelope. Inside was the original deed to our house. My mom's name was on the down payment. She didn't lose custody because she was poor. Leo explained softly. She chose to give you stability, even if it meant letting him have custody. She sacrificed her right to you for your future. Tears blurred my vision. My mom, the quiet warrior, had protected me all along. I went to the hospital. Robert was sobbing silently. I placed the deed on his bedside table. Leo looked at him calmly. "Robert, I can't forgive you for Eleanor. But I'll help her close this chapter. As a good daughter should. Take care of yourself. We're leaving now." Her mother and son are waiting at home for dinner. I turned, walked out. And the sun felt brighter than ever. Robert's downfall taught me that greed and betrayal will destroy you. But my mother Sophia taught me that true strength lies in sacrifice, patience, and unconditional love. We don't get to choose our family, but we do get to choose how we respond to them and how we protect our peace. So tell me, what would you have done in my place? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget hit that like button. Share this story. And subscribe for more powerful real-life stories. Because sometimes healing starts with knowing we are not alone.